Welcome to a guide on 10 essential manners every child can learn, complete with the benefits of each and tips and tricks for those habits that just won't stick. Setting the table teaches organization and the value of contributing to family tasks. It fosters a sense of responsibility and involvement in home life. You can go a step further and even find or make a placemat with the correct settings marked for your little learners to help them match each dish to their proper placement. Proper food manners are essential for keeping everyone at the table calm and safe. Here are some basic food manners to keep in mind for everyone at mealtime. Getting messy is part of childhood, but come mealtime, messy hands are no longer ideal. Teach your young ones to wash their hands using warm water and to scrub for at least 20 seconds, or just long enough to sing through the ABCs. Polite communication is key to building strong relationships. It helps in expressing thoughts respectfully and understanding others, important for teamwork and empathy. Here are some guidelines for polite communication. Using excuse me teaches awareness of others' space and presence. It fosters respect and mindfulness in social situations and helps kids blossom into independent, self-reliant thinkers. Here are some times when excuse me is used. Please is one of our most valuable words. It's called the magic word for a reason. Saying please is foundational in creating a positive, grateful atmosphere and encourages kindness in interactions with everyone. And saying please increases the chance that your request is granted. However, sometimes the answer will still be no, and that's okay. See if the request could be fulfilled on your own or politely seek out help from someone else. After please comes thank you. Expressing gratitude builds stronger bonds with our peers and mentors, and it cultivates emotional intelligence. Here are some instances when thank you is appropriate. Participating in meal prep teaches responsibility and basic life skills. It encourages teamwork and gives children a sense of accomplishment. Cooking together helps them understand how much work goes into making healthy, delicious food for everyone. And cooking offers engaging new sensory experiences and can expand the palate of some of our more picky eaters. When distractions are limited, connections can be made. A no electronics rule at dinner enhances family bonding and decreases distractions. It encourages mindfulness and the importance of being present in the moment. Some kids use electronics to communicate, in which case the use of an electronic is centered around engaging with those at the table. Cleaning up is not just a chore. It teaches responsibility, teamwork, and respect for shared spaces. It promotes a sense of pride and care for one's environment. Being mindful of these practices leads to calm and productive interactions. They all revolve around the golden rule: do for others what you would want done for yourself. Practicing good manners helps your child maintain a peaceful coexistence with those around them and helps them thrive as independent adults. Thanks for joining us, and remember to subscribe for more content.